role you would play in that government conference?
After result, we'll see what the MLA is like, and then
ज्या दाबोली कॉन्स्टिट्युट हांव भोवला प्रत्येकाच्या दारान भोवला सगळ्यांनी आमकां रिस्पेक्ट केलो पुरो आनी काय ना वोट पडोवंक जाय वोट जिखोवन दिवंक जाय हें हांवें मनान दवरलें हांवें पयलींच लोकांक सांगलें मनान आसा लोकांक चोरूच जाय जोर हाडलो
NS-17 रोड आसा बार्देस आसा तो वायडनींग करपाक तुमचो एफर्ट घेतलेलो तेजेर कितें दिसता
broaden the road. I mean, लोकांना म्हाका willingly दिला, exception of 1 or 2 who have just not budged to give me the NOC, but rest all have given me NOC without any problem.
लोकांक क्राउड करून तो कितें
लोकांचो उमेद येता जिखल्यार आनी दिल्ली उमेद
against Babu Nanuskar, who has been far behind candidates who doesn't deserve to be called candidates are contesting elections because it is, during the rains, those mushrooms and those frogs come out. That is the way people who are not fit are trying to contest. And people have given the result as to who is the fittest person for them to work for them. And that's how it is the people's victory that Mavin has got. And Mavin attributes it to the people of the Bolim constituency.
पहुंचे हमरे कितले लीड लीड 1340
काँग्रेसीक मारपाची काय आपाक मारपाची काँग्रेसीक मारपाची काय आपाक मारपाची हे कन्फ्यूज जाले लोकांनी म्हाका दिसता मागीर कन्फ्युजनान थोडे लोक मागीर जे डिसायडींग फॅक्टर आसतात ते डिसायड करतात त्या लोकांनी मागीर परत BJPकूच मारले आसतले आनी त्या कारणान काम काय करिनासतना सुद्दां परतून एकदा BJP जिखतले खूब दूख दिसता की लोकांनी सारकें डिसिजन घेवंक ना
सगळ्या कलांगूट कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीच्या लोकांक देव बरें करूं म्हणून सोदता दे हॅव शोन फेथ इन मी दे हॅव शोन देयर लव टुवर्ड्स मी all the people who are trying to all the people
ही विक्ट्री माझ्या मतदारसंघाच्या लोकांची आणि जे हांवें काम केल्ले गेली 3 फाटी निवडून येवन लोकांनी ते लक्षात दवरलें आणि लोकांनी पळयलें की म्हाजेन तेजे भितर फरक आणि त्या लोकांनी एकजूट जावन बाबू आसगांवकर आमकां जाव ह्या रितीन तेजें काम केलें. 5 वर्सांनी म्हणटे सी खाल्लेकरान घेतल्या ती प्रसिद्धी पेपरवाल्या कडल्यान रिपोर्टरा कडल्यान खाली प्रसिद्धी लोकां भितर काम करूना. आमचें जें काम जालें आमचे कार्यकर्त्यांचें काम तें लोकां भितर जालां लोकां पर्यंत पावलां लोकांनी तेचो म्हाका रिजल्ट दिला. आज ह्या कार्यकर्त्यां खातीर म्हाजो विजय आनी ह्या कार्यकर्त्यां बरोबर हांव सदांच रावतलों.
तुमचा निर्णय सही आला तुमका दिसता
of the people of Sattari.
Okay.
They are the ones who have put me up for this election. They are the ones who have requested me to be with them. And I feel that the young people have a lot of aspirations and they want to grow. And they find that the Congress party is the only party that can give the renewable goods.
In this term, you will be completing almost 50 years as far as political career is concerned.
Yes.
How do you see this achievement, and especially in this term now?
Oh, I am very happy. The people of Sattari, their victory, not mine.
Sir, tell us something for your son's victory also.
Well, yes, he is also following in my footsteps, and I think I wish him well.
Are you looking for the post of the chief minister? Would the government, the Congress tries to form the government?
No, party has always said, I am a party man, I go by the discipline of the party. So whatever my party decides, I am ready to take whatever is possible.
Looking at the overall scenario, can Congress form the government?
Why not?
सर यावेळीचे युवकांनी जास्त मतदान केलेलं आहे. तुमच्या मतदारसंघातील युवकांनी सुद्धा तुमच्यावरती विश्वास ठेवलेला आहे. त्या युवकांच्या मतदानाला तुम्ही काय सांगणार?
त्या मतदारसंघाच्या युवकांना म्हणजे आमच्या सर्व गोमांतकामध्ये आणि भारतामध्ये आज तरी शिक्षणाची, आरोग्याची आणि उद्योगाची ही गरज आहे आणि त्याला असे सुशिक्षित बेकार राहणं बरोबर नाही आहे. त्याच्यासाठी प्रयत्न केला पाहिजे. सर्व कुठच्याही पक्षानं जरी सत्तेवर आले तर हा पहिला प्रयत्न त्यांचा प्रश्न सोडवला पाहिजे, तरच आपलं भारत परिसर शकतो.
चित्र बदलल्यासारखं वाटलं. आजचे पॉलिटिकल सिच्युएशन बघितलं तर पूर्ण चित्र पुन्हा एकदा बदलल्यासारखं वाटलं.
गोव्यामध्ये सगळ्यांचा परिचय एकामेकाशी असतो आणि खऱ्या गोष्टी बाहेर निघतात.
द होल विक्ट्री इज डेडिकेटेड टू माय पीपल. आमच्या लोकांनी दीस रात एक करून अपक्ष सेकंड टाइम रावला. गुड मार्जिन. This is only the blessings of all my people whom we have stayed together for the last 5 years. There were umpteen of pressures, the government material, everything was done. I think Pororim was one of the crucial things for the opposite party. When people had faith and we had faith. आणि आमच्या लोकांनी जो विश्वास आमच्या दवरिल्लो आणि आमी आतां जो आमच्या लोकांचे तेंको घेवन चल्ले people in true sense have shown that they are my pillars of strength by giving this type of a lead, coming in second time.
What are those things which made you victorious?
I think the connect with the people, like going to the requirements, understanding what it is, looking at inclusive and sustainable tourism, taking it up model constituency. I think a few of the issues which get taken up on priority. Porwarkaran कितें जाय तें दिलें आनी आज Porwarkaran ताजो मोल म्हाका दिसता दिल्लो आसा आनी ताजे खातीर I take this forum of the media to thank all my beloved Porwarkar भाव भयणी जाणटे भुरगे महिला वर्ग सगळ्यांक ज्यांनी दीस रात एक केली आणि ह्या भरघोश मतांनी आज निवडून हाडला. इट इज अ विक्ट्री ऑफ Porwarkars and we will go a long way to ensure that Pororim goes to the next level.
Time and again you have said that it is defense minister who has put up all his family members relatives and all to see that you get defeated. Now how do you see this?
It is politics. But end of the day, he has played what he wanted to do. But whether defense minister or his family, everybody has come. In democracy, everybody is welcome. In democracy also, people decide that they don't get pressurized for whom to vote. They had decided and they have kept that particular decision.
तुम्ही आता independent, so तुम्ही खंयच्यान
So we will go together. Wherever we were, we are going together.
Congress has supported you.
Yeah.
What it is?
Congress has supported us.
So you would be with Congress over there? Thank you.
What to say?
The victory of the people of Sattari.
लोकांनी एवढा विश्वास दाखवलाय तुमच्यावरती पुन्हा एकदा
Just say
काय
English.
म्हणाल तुम्ही?
English.
आय फील मला तरी वाटतंय की लोकांचा जो विश्वास आहे तो विश्वासाचा कधी विश्वासघात होणार नाही. हे बीजेपी सरकारने जे वारा तयार केला की प्रताप सिंग राणे निवडून येणार नाही आणि इतर काय वारे तयार केले होते हे तुम्ही रिझल्टच्या माध्यमातून सिद्ध झाले की किती मंत्री पडले. पण हांव एकूच सांगू सोदता अँड आय वूड लायक टू ओनली से वन थिंग द फेथ अँड ट्रस्ट पीपल ऑफ Sattari have reposed in us. We will never let them down.
Now since you all are both the key figures as far as in the Congress party and all, as far as government formation is concerned, how would you say that?
It is best to leave it to the High Command. They will take appropriate decision in this regard.
Looking at the overall scenario, can Congress form the government?
Definitely Congress form. There are a lot of like-minded people who have got elected, including my friend Vijay who has got elected. Let the Congress party sit and form formulation of government best left to the Congress party's leadership.
Have you all already approached or talks in?
No, that's up to the High Command. Our leadership is in Goa. They will take care of it.
So the Congress can take both MGP or Goa forward also?
So let them contact. They will contact. We have just got elected. We have not even gone out of the counting house. Thank you so much.
शेजारी मतदारसंघामध्ये तुमचे काँग्रेस पक्ष त्यांना काय तेवढं यश मिळू शकतं
नाही. आता गोव्याच्या इतिहासमध्ये पहिल्यांदा मुख्यमंत्री पडतो इलेक्शनमध्ये. हे इलेक्शन ह्या तऱ्हेने झालेलं आहे की लोकांनी आपला राग व्यक्त केलेला आहे आणि मला तरी वाटतं की काँग्रेस हॅज मेड अ फॅन्टॅस्टिक कमबॅक आणि माझे वडील आता हे दिस इज इज 10th टाइम. सो आय थिंक people have shown what they want.
How do you see overall the survey scenario which was predicting BJP a huge margin?
Yesterday I made a statement to Headline today that I totally am, I don't agree to any of their surveys and the Chief Minister is likely to go. And there was a silent vote. It's obvious the silent vote was against the BJP. It's towards anti-BJP forces, which includes Congress. It was towards the Congress in a very big way. It was towards Goa Forward. Aam Aadmi is on a zero. So I feel this is anti-BJP.
Do you feel that at a certain point, earlier point, like Markaikar and Mobin moving to the other side has affected your party anyway?
Definitely, they should have stayed with us.
प्रशासनाची घडी बसवण्यात आता समजा काँग्रेसने आपलं मुख्यमंत्री हे केला तर पुन्हा ती प्रशासनाची घडी बसवायला त्रास होणार ज्या पद्धतीने आता प्रशासन.
मला वाटतं की लोकांनी ऑलरेडी एक वेगळ्या तऱ्हेचा विश्वास व्यक्त करताना एक संदेश पाठवलेला आहे सगळ्या पॉलिटिकल पार्टीला की आम्हाला ग्रांटेड घेऊ नका. आम्हाला ट्रान्सपरन्सी पाहिजे, ऑनेस्टी पाहिजे. ऑनेस्टी दाखवून करप्शन चालू करू नका. अँड हे मला वाटतं मुख्यमंत्रीचे पराभव जो झाला विच इज अनफॉर्च्युनेट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन हिस्ट्री ऑफ गोवा, ह्या माध्यमातून एकच दिसून येतं की No politician can take the people for granted. People of Goa has sent a clear message to every MLA individual. And आज ते सिद्ध झालं की गोवा फॉरवर्डला 3 सीट मिळाली. आम्ही जर युती केली असती तर आमच्या दोघांचं सरकार एकत्र झालं असतं आणि आता होईल बी तसंच. बघूया आता हायकमांडला ठरवून दे काय.
Now you say that you cannot take people for granted. Do you feel that Congress should not repeat their earlier mistakes in 2012?
You can't afford to. You can't afford to. People have sent a very clear signal. A lot of money was spent in Sattari to defeat Mr. Pratap Singh Rane, but the people have made it very amply clear that they go by their choice. Money cannot buy votes. Money has been spent in a big way by the BJP, and money cannot buy votes. People have their mind, and they have spoken.